folks, did you know that there are about 9 million wild hogs running loose across the United States right now? These critters are causing up to $2.50 billion in damage to agriculture and the environment every year. So how do we get a handle on this exploding hog population? The US government has launched a massive hunting campaign aiming to reduce the wild hog population by 75% over the next 5 years. But will it work? Stay tuned to learn more about the battle between humans and hogs in America. In Florida, in the wild hog situation has reached critical levels with an estimated 500,000 hogs roaming the state. The official hunting season runs from October to March. But on private land, you can hunt year-round with the land owner's permission before you start hunting. Don't forget to grab a valid hunting license from the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission (FWC). It costs about $117 for residents and $46.50 for out-of-state hunters. You'll also need to complete a hunter safety course before they'll issue you a license to track wild hogs. And farmers and hunters often look for areas where the ground has been rooted up, tracks and wallows after a good rain. These signs become much easier to spot in soft ground. When it comes to gear, 8.27 caliber rifle or something larger is a popular choice. Don't forget to wear cut-resistant clothing and pack a first aid kit. Safety first, folks. For the best shot, aim for the shoulder or just behind the ear. Here's a fun fact: Florida's wild hogs tend to be smaller than those in Texas. An adult hog in Florida usually weighs around 150 to 200 pounds, while in Texas they can weigh over 300 pounds or more. Besides firearms, many hunters also use compound bows. Bow hunting requires more skill and patience, but it adds an extra challenge and thrill to the hunt. To lure the hogs, hunters often use bait like corn, rotten fruit, or even artificial scents. Set up the bait where you've seen hog activity, then wait. When a sounder of hog shows up, that's when the adrenaline kicks in. Your heart races, your breathing quickens, but you need to stay calm. Aim carefully and let that arrow fly. Here are some pro tips for better hog hunting. Keep your shooting distance under 30 yards. Aim right behind the shoulder and always have a backup arrow ready. Most importantly, you can stay quiet and patient. Hogs have exceptional hearing. That was awesome, guy. According to FWC, about 30,000 to 40,000 wild hogs are harvested in Florida each year, but that's still not enough to control the rapidly growing population. Did you know a single female hog can have up to 12 piglets per litt and can have 2 litt per year? With that kind of reproduction rate, hunting is more important than ever in controlling their population. Dead do it. Blood was pouring out of he's stumbling now. In addition to traditional hunting, many farmers and hunters across the US are turning to trapping to control the wild hog numbers. This method is proven to be just as effective as hunting with a rifle. Automated corral trapping in particular are becoming a secret weapon in the fight against these crop-destroying pests. An effective trap can catch an entire sounder of hogs at once, sometimes up to 20 or 30 hogs. Imagine being able to remove that many farm enemies in just one night. The design of an automated corral trap is pretty simple but incredibly effective. It's typically circular or square, about 20 to 30 feet in diameter, made of durable wire panels. The gate is cleverly designed to let hogs in but not out. And the best part, these traps can be controlled remotely via a smartphone. How's that for high-tech hunting? So where is the best place to set up a trap? Hunters usually choose areas with signs of hog activity, such as tracks, rooted up areas, or near water sources. They often set traps along trails that hogs frequently use. Hunters will bait the area around the trap for several days to get the hogs used to finding food there. The bait is usually corn, rotten fruit, or even artificial hog urine. Once the hogs are coming to the bait regularly, the trap can be activated remotely. The trap mechanism is pretty straightforward. When hogs enter to eat, the bait cameras and motion sensors send an alert straight to the hunter's phone.